All right, this is the 60-60-60 towel that I tried. I actually am in the background. You can hear the gentleman that's demoing it on YouTube because I just couldn't get the fold. This is actually my third try that you're watching, and I wanted to make sure that it was correct. And so I listened to his instructions as I did it. It's a lot harder than it seemed until I did it. And once I did it, it was like, oh, well, that's easy. So I put the rubber band on it and then went ahead and we tried to dye it.
Hey, that's better.
Just a fold. And then when you start getting into the sleeves, it'll start getting a lot thicker. But it shouldn't really matter all too much, so there's that. And then we're going to fold it over here.
There you go. Well, we'll see. Okay, I am going to use 6 colors on this one. I'm going to use primary colors in the centers, and then other colors on the end. How about that? There we go. I'm uncorking my colors now. Okay, so blues first. I'm just gonna soak it toward the end. There we go. Remember, I'm doing this as a test before I do a shirt. All right, I think that's pretty good. There we go. All right, there's that one. It's all done. Wraps it up. Wraps it up. Here is my 60-60-60 folded. I hate these gloves because I can't ever grab a hold of the rubber band with them. There we go. All right, let's see what this one. I think this one may turn out better. We'll see. It's got some pretty colors on it. Let's see what we think. Ooh! Well, what y'all think about this one? That turned out pretty, didn't it? Well, let me go watch this one, and then I'll show you final results. All right, so here is the 60-60-60. It turned out actually pretty good. I like the colors. I kind of like the way it looked. I got a little bit of a smudging effect there. It's a little bit cleaner there than it is here. That may have just been because of the way I dyed it. But overall, I like it. What do you think? I actually did a t-shirt like that today, so we'll see what that looks like tomorrow.